Proactive Wellness 101. Cold therapy, nutrition, and mood hacks. Cold plunges. Probiotics, mood hacks. These trends are shaking up the wellness world, but do they really work? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover how to take control of your health proactively, not reactively, and learn simple science-backed strategies you can start today. 1. What is proactive wellness? 101. Proactive wellness means anticipating health challenges before they arise, building resilience, rather than patching up problems after the fact. Pluses: early prevention. You spot and fix small imbalances like sluggish digestion or low mood before they snowball into big issues. Empowerment. You're armed with tools, diet, cold exposure, mindset, to guide your own health journey. Negatives: information overload. With so many trends and hacks, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Upfront investment, time, sometimes money, and if in discomfort, why it matters. In a world of instant fixes, proactive wellness is your roadmap to lasting vitality. 2. Cold therapy more than a shock to the system. What is it? Cold therapy, or cold plunging, is immersing yourself in cold water. Often, 50 degrees Fahrenheit or colder. For short bursts, 1-5 minutes. Benefits and why. Boosted circulation. Cold constricts blood vessels, warming them back up, pumps fresh oxygenated blood through your body. Reduced inflammation. Think of it like icing a sprain. Whole body cold reduces inflammatory markers. Mental clarity and endorphins. The initial shock floods your brain with adrenaline and endorphins, sharpening focus and boosting mood. Immune support. Some studies show regular cold exposure can increase white blood cell count over time. Who should try it? Age groups: 25 to 55-year-olds dealing with desk job stiffness or low-grade inflammation. Contraindications: if you have uncontrolled high blood pressure or heart issues, consult a doctor first. Potential downsides: discomfort. The first plunge is a mental hurdle. Prepare yourself. Overdoing it. Staying in too long can lead to hypothermia risk. Stick to expert guidelines. 1 to 2 minutes initially, building up slowly. 3. Nutrition, real food, real science. We all know eat healthy, but let's get specific. Here are 3 doctor-approved, nutritionist-recommended strategies. A probiotic-rich foods. Why? Gut health influences immunity, mood, even weight management. What to eat? Yogurt with live cultures. Kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir. Science. A 2023 meta-analysis found daily probiotics reduced anxiety scores by 20% in adults. B. Anti-inflammatory plate. Why? Chronic inflammation underlies conditions from arthritis to heart disease. What to eat? Berries, leafy greens, wild salmon, turmeric, walnuts. Aim for a rainbow of colors. Nutritionists say if your plate isn't colorful, it's probably missing something. C. Balanced macros for blood sugar stability. Why? Rapid spikes and crashes fuel energy slumps, cravings, and long-term metabolic risk. What to eat? Protein, 20 to 30 grams per meal. Eggs, chicken, tofu, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, fatty fish, complex carbs, quinoa, sweet potatoes, whole oats. Victims: adults 35 to 60, often experience insulin resistance. This macro balance can help reverse early signs. 4. Mood hack science meets everyday life. Mood hacks are simple, evidence-based behaviors that shift brain chemistry, tree-lifting you out of stress, anxiety, or low motivation. Top 3 mood hacks and the science behind them. Cold shower finale. End your morning shower with 15 seconds of cold water. Triggers norepinephrine release for increased alertness and improved mood. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding exercise. Name 5 things you see. 4 you feel, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. Science activates the parasympathetic nervous system, reducing cortisol in minutes. Rhythmic breathing: inhale for south, hold for south, exhale for south, hold for south, repeat for cycles. Regulates the autonomic nervous system, lowering heart rate and anxiety. 5. Putting it all together, your proactive plan, morning routine. 5-minute cold shower, finale. 2 minutes of box breathing, prepare lunch plate. Protein plus healthy fat plus colorful veggies. Add a probiotic-rich side afternoon go for 1 minute. Grounding exercise at your desk, evening wind down. Gentle stretch, or 1-minute ice bath if you can handle it. Light magnesium-rich snack. You've learned how to stop reacting and start proactively building your best self. Now it's your turn. Subscribe for weekly deep dives on real, science-backed wellness. Like if you're ready to take on cold plunges or tweak your diet today, comment which mood hack you'll try first. Because true wellness isn't about chasing the next vedettes, about consistent, informed choices that let you glow and grow.